Guys, welcome back to another episode of the Canine Nana. Just want to show you how far I'm getting on my garden. Not too far, still waiting for seeds. They should come next week. Gonna start doing my regular seeds. I was gonna put them in the garden this weekend, except it's supposed to rain tomorrow all the way through next Thursday. So what I'm gonna do is start them in a foil, like a lasagna pan. Start some seeds and put them in the house. And as soon as it stops raining, I will put them in the garden. I have to clean out all these leaves again and everything. My oranges are falling and everything too, so it's all got to be cleaned out. But yeah, I'm not going to put seeds in the garden because we're supposed to get up to 4 inches of rain. And if we do, this is going to get all flooded and the seeds are just going to get all mixed up in there. So I'm not going to have a very organized garden, which is what I like. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait and do them inside. Meanwhile, I got this amazing buy yesterday, black cherry tomatoes. Now I started growing these a couple years ago and they are so good. If you guys can get some of these are amazing. And this plant, look at that, it has all kinds of buds on it. All kinds. So for now, while it's budding, I'm just going to leave it in here and see how well it does. I mean, literally got all kinds of buds. I need some tomato setting spray. I don't have any of that, but it looks really, really healthy, really nice, and we're going to get tomatoes really soon. So over here, I have, these are going to be yellow cherry tomatoes. This one is crookneck yellow squash. This one is Black Beauty zucchini, and then I have cilantro. And we go through cilantro a lot, so this will get into a very, very big plant. And then if I let it go to seed, I'll have coriander seeds that I can either use whole or crush up. So this right here is my basil plant, and it is coming back. I got to trim all these dead leaves, but other than that, it's doing pretty good. So this is my garden, guys, for now. This is it. And this is what this is. Black cherry tomato. They're dark inside. They don't get really, really dark on the outside, but when you open them, they're like a purplish, I guess. And you get a bunch of them on this bush. They have black regular cherry tomatoes, or regular tomatoes, and then the black cherry. And both are really good if you can get a hold of them. And also the sun gold yellow cherry tomatoes are excellent. We call those our Chelsea tomatoes after my granddaughter, because she was born while they were blooming, and she's a preemie. So when she came home, we had an abundance of tomatoes when she got out of the hospital, and we just, the other girls, her sisters, called them the Chelsea tomatoes. So sun gold or yellow tomatoes, cherry tomatoes around our house are known as the Chelsea tomatoes. So here we go. That's all I've got going right now. Cabbage coming up probably tomorrow. This weekend is my my church annual general conference weekend, so we've been watching a lot of that, and then in between sessions tomorrow, I will probably be starting canning, get canning done and doing videos and doing the sauerkraut. So I have green beans to can. I've got more carrots to can. I have some mushrooms. I'm not sure if I'm going to dehydrate them, because I have garlic I'm going to dehydrate and make into powder, garlic powder. I have pineapple to dehydrate. Let's see. I don't think I'm going to be doing any dehydrating of cabbage. I think I have enough cabbage. I don't know. We'll see. I might make a recipe or two with the cabbage too. We'll see. We'll see how much cabbage we get done for sauerkraut, because it does take quite a few. We have 3 large cabbages, so that should be enough. Easy to find. Fresh vegetables right now are simple to find. And in my video earlier today, you guys saw that we were at Costco, first time at Costco since all of this happened, and it was a very short, it was a long line, but a very short wait. Only 5 minutes in line. They did have toilet paper. They had no napkins or paper towels, which we have, but they did have toilet paper, and we have some here, but I don't want to keep going out. And right now I have everything in my home that I need. Don't need to go out for anything right now, probably for a couple weeks. And it's supposed to peak, so we shall see. I really don't want to go anywhere anymore. Gonna be making face masks. Yeah, the toilet paper at Costco, they were limiting one per family, which is great. And they had a ton of it. They had a whole length of the store aisle, and it was pallets of toilet paper. It was in abundance. So I don't think they're going to run out anytime soon, and hopefully people will stop hoarding the toilet paper and the beans and rice and everything like that, and that, everybody can get their portion that's needed out there. There's no shortage of food. It's just that people are getting a lot of it, and I get it. They don't want to go anywhere, like me. You want to limit your exposure as much as you can out there right now, and just stay safe. So, yes, I was wearing a face mask today, hand sanitizing like crazy. We brought our own wipes with us to wipe down the cart, but they were wiping down the cart with a bleach solution. It was an easy experience. I had to go because I had to go to the pharmacy there. That's the only reason that I went. And we are, I wanted to look for toilet paper, just to have it in stock. I'm not sick. My orange tree is in bloom, and our next door neighbor's orange tree is right outside my bedroom. And while I adore, the best fragrance in the world are orange blossoms, I am highly allergic. So this time of year, I'm always sniffly and sneezing all the time. It really gets to me. But gosh, you can't beat the smell of orange blossoms. They're amazing. It's just the most beautiful fragrance that I've ever smelled. It's so pretty. So I take allergy pills, and I enjoy the smell of the oranges, but it still gets to me. I still get sniffly at the end of the day. So anyway, that's it for now. I'm going to go in and make dinner, and I will see you guys tomorrow. That's what's happening. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Please hit that bell. This way you're notified when I upload a new video. Lots and lots of videos to come, you guys. And please leave a comment and hit that thumbs up so that I know that you were here. That helps my channel, and it lets me know that people are watching. So thanks, you guys, for all your support and your understanding, and keep the suggestions coming. You can email me at thecanningnana@gmail.com, and yeah, I will answer all the comments, and I will try to get all of your canning suggestions going. I've got a list going, so in the next couple weeks, I'm going to get everything done, as long as I have it, and chances are I have something. If I don't, I can run out to the store real quick, or my husband can run out to the store right down the street for produce. That's really the only thing, although we're pretty stocked up on that too. So we'll see. Anyway, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye.